Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Kar Yee and the question that I'm going to present today is question 94 from tutorial 4. So this question requires us to write the formula and name the compound that is formed. For A, the 2 plus ion and the 1 minus ion are both isoelectronic with the atoms of a chemically unreactive period 4 element. A chemically unreactive period 4 element is krypton from group 8A. This is because noble gases are not reactive due to its complete octet, making them very stable. The number of electrons for krypton is 36, so the 2 plus ions and 1 minus ions that are both isoelectronic with krypton is strontium ions and bromide ions respectively. Isoelectronic means having the same number of electrons or the same electronic structure, so both ions also have 36 electrons. Thus, the compound formed from this ionic interaction is strontium bromide. Next, for B, the 2 plus ion and the 2 minus ion are both isoelectronic with the period 3 noble gas. The period 3 noble gas is argon from group 8A. The number of electrons for argon is 18. So the 2 plus ions and 2 minus ions that are both isoelectronic with argon is calcium ions and sulfide ions respectively. Thus, compound formed from this ionic interaction is calcium sulfide. For part C, the 2 plus ion is the smallest with a field D sublevel. The anion forms from the smallest halogen. The smallest field D sublevel is the 3D shell, so the element must be in period 4. This is because although there is a 3D subshell in period 3, but in compliance with the Aufbau principle, it is not filled until period 4. So zinc, which is from period 4, forms the zinc ions by losing its 2 s subshell electrons to achieve the electronic configuration. The smallest halogen is fluorine, whose anion is fluoride ion. Thus, the compound formed from this ionic interaction is zinc fluoride. Lastly, the ions form from the largest and smallest ionizable atoms in period 2. Atomic radius decreases across a period from left to right, so neon is the smallest element in period 2. However, it is not ionizable because noble gases have a complete octet, making them very stable and unlikely to gain or lose any electrons. So fluorine is the next smallest atom in period 2, whereas lithium is the largest atom in period 2. Therefore, the compound formed from this ionic interaction is lithium fluorine. That's it. Thank you.